back with another freaking video. It's your girl Cherie.
And Mama Ray.
And yes, we are back with another SnackCrate box. Taste testing. So today we got shipped Czechia. Czechia is a country that's in Europe. So we're going to be trying these yummy snacks. Hopefully they're yummy, right, Mama Ray?
Yeah.
So we're going to try Czechia. If y'all can see that. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but let's go ahead and see what's in this goodie box. We also have a card, so we can also kind of read off of it a little bit. So, what's in here first? I don't know, y'all. It's not in English, but I believe these are some garlic seasoned chips. Just got garlic on there. You want to dig in this box? So y'all believe all this garlic? It said your extra garlicky seasoning. There are potato chips.
This
What
is
is
like
that?
some marshmallow, like what's it? JoJo?
They call JoJo. It said it's a fruity flavors like lemon, orange, apple, sour cherry, and these are soft jelly foam candies. Ooh. And I believe these, I don't know, y'all, I'm just reading off this little sheet. But I believe these are some nutty, sweet, salty snacks, puffed corn snacks, roasted peanuts. So there's it's a little beautiful.
JoJo's too.
JoJo's, it's like some jelly.
That's some jelly
Okay, yeah.
candies.
Oh yeah, them jelly beans, jumbo jelly beans. Oh, that look. Oh yeah, they you got a bunch of those. Okay, these look like some. I want to assume these some salted pretzel sticks. They look like it. Yeah, pretzel sticks.
No, this is something. What is this?
And then is some right with Mama Marie got. She got some craving. Sweet and buttery treat, and it's a shortbread cookies. Y'all already know how I feel about my shortbread milk chocolate cookies, y'all. So these gonna have to be my personal. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know how I feel about those. It's quite a few things in here this time. The last time they short a nigga. So these are some rich honey gingerbread cake. Ooh. They look good.
And what's this?
Let me look for the paper, y'all.
These,
It says some deliciously smooth chocolate pieces decorated in a brightly colored sugar coated, making a sweet and satisfying treat perfect for sharing or not. So they gotta be delicious. Hopefully these be delicious. And these are some let me see. So it says smeared and melted butter, honey, and filled with sweet vanilla cream. So I believe they'll have vanilla cream inside as you break it. Ooh, they got some good goodies in here, huh? It might be a good box, y'all. I don't know what's gonna be compared to France. You know, Egypt. I ain't really liking that much, but
I do not understand.
Okay, that
it looks so soft.
Okay, one Mama Marie got, she got some. It says soy slices. I don't know about no soy slices, y'all.
Soy slices?
Soy slices. It was produced in 1959, so I don't know about that one. I'm gonna be a little sketchy at that one. Okay, so this is pretty much something like what France had. It's a soft shaped cake, a bear shaped cake cookie. No, it's not a cookie. It's a cake. Sweet caramel. So we got that. So I'm excited about that. It's very soft. If y'all go back and watch the other two snack crates that we did, thank you. Click off for this one. Go watch the other one, baby, because this is part 3. Part 3 of that.
These are some sour straws.
It's some sweet and sour tangy flavors and chewy strawberry ribbons. So yeah, this gonna be good. Okay, I'm excited, yeah. I really am excited. So lastly, they gave us something to drink to wash all these goodies down. It's not on. Wait, yes it is. It's a Coca-Cola special flavor. I mean spice flavor. So that's what.
Nice.
Just say spice flavor. A fruit juice to provide a unique spice flavor. So I don't know. So we're gonna have to go ahead and pop this open because the ice melted. Y'all, that was all in here. We got all these good goodies to choose from. Y'all, this is gonna be a nice little mini video, y'all, because these are some few snacks that we got from SnackCrate. You go on www.com SnackCrate. www.snackcrate.com. You can also do a subscription like we did. And yeah, we can get like a little handful of goodies. Or you go choose whatever size you want. Like you want like a bigger box. It's like more little money. Cha-ching, baby, who? Never throw in my pockets. Okay, y'all, I'm going ahead and try this drink because our ice is melting. So hopefully, okay, it don't smell bad. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, look like a cola. So as before we get to all this, baby, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and go ahead and look at our other videos, y'all. Baby, we keep sending these bangers, baby, from left to right, baby. I don't know which way it's coming from. So baby, go ahead, hit the notification bell as well. And make sure y'all not cricket, because it look cricket to me. Okay, alright. Baby, y'all hit that notification bell. You ready to try it? Mm-hmm. Y'all can be notarized each and every time we try. I mean, every time we post. 1, 2, 3. Oh. It's kind of weird. It's like it's giving me flat cola, like Coke, and it's giving me like a tangy sourness, like a apple cider vinegar a little bit at the end. Oh. It's giving me like a tangy Coca-Cola. Somebody on the stairs. How you feel about that one?
Yeah, 3. It's like, it's kind of alright.
I'm gonna give it like a 4. It's not bad, but you know I'm gonna have it to the side. I'm gonna have it to the side to get washed down. So go ahead, Mama Marie. Go ahead and pick. What snack do you want to try first?
I don't know. I want to see what this one is.
She going for the soy. The soy, y'all. What? You you changed your mind? Oh, what the hell is that? Y'all. Yeah, look how this looks. What the hell is this? I don't know, Mama. You go ahead. Do the honors. You chose that one. You curious. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna just get. Oh, it got like a doughy, like a cookie dough. You know, you bake cookie dough, and that's how it feels. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tastes like a coconut. It tastes like coconut a little bit. Yeah, I don't like coconut, but I don't like coconut. But let me try it again. It's giving like a coconut cookie, but it's dough.
Yeah. It got coconut in it. It tastes like got coconut in it though. Yeah, it got coconut in it.
Yeah, it's coconut. That's enough for me, fam.
I like coconut, but I like a little.
It's enough for me.
You got like a little sour taste to it too, though.
I'm gonna have to give that definitely a 2.
I'll give it
2 out of 10.
I'll give it like a 3.
Okay, let me go ahead and pick. Let me go ahead and go for these chips. Y'all already know I like me some salty. Not too salty, but some potato chips.
That's garlic.
Yeah, garlicky potato chips. That's how I look, y'all. Like potato chips. And look like almost like Lay's. So, it's garlicky.
It smells kind of.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's good. It's very garlicky.
Not bad.
It's good though. I'm gonna have to get it at 5. It's good. It's good. It's very like it baked very well. Like very crunchy and baked very well.
It's very fresh.
Yeah, that's fresh.
It got a little salty to it though.
But not that salty.
Let me take that at the end.
Okay, Mama Marie, your pick. I definitely eat that one with a sandwich.
Ready?
Yeah, it's good.
This one got you.
Hey, really? Where I put it at?
I can't pronounce the name, y'all.
I don't know where I put that paper, y'all. I don't know where it went.
Yeah, right here, child.
Oh, it was behind. Well, when we open
My arms are short.
yeah, it is. It's like a T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Okay, it is some puff corn snack roasted peanuts.
Roasted peanuts.
Yeah.
Well, I think they mean shape.
That's how it looks, y'all. No, it smells like
I
peanuts.
think
Smell
they
it.
saying shaped like a peanut.
It smells like peanuts.
No smell like no peanut.
Peanut butter. Smell it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. It's peanuts.
Yeah, no taste.
Hold on. Yeah, it's peanuts. It's weird because it tastes like peanuts.
No.
Yes, you do.
No. Everybody had it all different
Oh
taste.
my God. Okay.
Everybody had it on taste.
Tell like peanuts to me.
Don't taste like nothing to me.
All right, you guys. Oh, what you give it?
Nothing.
0? I give it a 1. It's okay. Let me see. I'm going to go with this. This right here. It's supposed to have vanilla cream filling in the middle, so hopefully got chocolate. Well, it's a honey. I think of honey vanilla. It looks like honey or something like that. Ooh, look at this, y'all.
What that is?
It should be. It's a vanilla filling. I don't know what it is. We can break this one down. So I broke it too big. Ah. Hold on, y'all. Can't go break it.
You gotta tell me, them ears, they have the salt to them.
They're a little soft, but not that much. Here you go.
Man,
You ready?
What the fuck is it? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Mama.
Oh, what is this?
I don't know. You ready?
Yeah.
You gotta see what it is for ourselves.
Yeah, why is it like that?
2, 3.
Smell like chalk.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. You know what? Mm-mm. I don't know what that is. I don't like that. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. It don't taste like food. I don't like that. That's a 0 for me. That's a 0. Oh, no. No.
I don't like that nigga. That's one.
Okay, Mama Marie. Your pick.
That's
a no for both of us. And
Hey, this is oh.
Yeah, I put it over here. This over here. We over here.
Over here. Let me see what this. Okay. What you said this was?
Supposed to be
My grandbaby wanted.
a deliciously smooth chocolate pieces.
My grandbaby, he gonna like this.
Yeah, he gonna go ham on these candies, like ham.
Not gonna give him too much candy.
No, but he love these boxes, y'all. We would have did it with him, but he be. Y'all see his other video, he be like everywhere.
He got ants in his pants.
He's highly hyperactive, so. I got the little yellow one. Yay, yellow.
He'll be back on it though.
He'll be back, y'all. we just did like 2 videos with him, like whenever this video go up, like a couple days ago. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Like an M&M.
I mean, M&M's better. Chocolate good though. I'm gonna give that one 5. And this tastes like a little healthier than the M&M. Like a healthier version.
Get a 4. No, 3.
Alright, I'm anxious to try this one here. This one right here. About to try this one. Cause this feel like nothing but cake. So, ooh. Ooh. Y'all know how I feel about chocolate, y'all.
Need the H2O. And water.
Look at that, y'all. Ooh. I know how I love my chocolate.
What is double stack like that?
Yeah, but I'm gonna break the top.
It's big like that.
It's big. Oh, we gotta break it like this.
You gotta break that thing.
Oh, it's so thick. Look how thick it is.
You gotta break it in half.
Yo, break it through like. Ooh. Oh, it smells like a It smells like a fruit cake or something. Like a blueberry cake or something like that. You ready? It feels dry though. Look how dry it look. 1, 2, 3. It's real sweet. I don't really like that one that much.
I don't like that.
I'm gonna get that one too. I don't really like that one.
Oh, 1.
Almost tastes like a blueberry muffin, but you know how blueberry muffin be kind of sweet, but not that sweet. It'll be like really moist. Some blueberries be moist. But yeah, y'all, that was that one. I really like that one. Go ahead, Mama. Yep.
No, you getting too excited.
Y'all know how I feel about some strawberry chocolate, y'all. That'd be good.
Try these.
JoJo's. I bet y'all need to go watch our other videos, cause baby. Tell them, Mama Marie, they be like bangers, like.
Ooh.
It smell good. It smell. Oh, it smell nothing. Ooh, I don't know, y'all. This. Oh, look how! Oh my God! Look at the texture. Y'all, look.
Oh, this gum.
Gum.
Yeah, look at.
Nah, it ain't no gum. It feel, but look how squishy.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's more. It's so squishy, y'all. Like,
Yeah, my granddaughter, you gonna like these.
Oh yeah.
My granddaughter, she'll like these too. Though.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. I like those. It's so weird. It's like it got like a. It should taste like how gummy should taste. You know how America they'll be like too tough. It'll be too hard. But those are good.
They're kind of rough, but they are.
They're
good.
not that rough. They're like a fluffy. A fluffy.
Take your time to chew them.
Not that much chewing, but it's good. I get that one an 8. I really like that one.
Really?
It's good.
I'll get a
Let me
4.
get the strawberry.
I'll get a 4.
What? I'm already tripping.
That's my taste buds.
I would get mad at her sometimes. Oh, I like that one.
How you gonna get mad at me? Cause
Cause she was
I'm
something wrong with her taste buds, y'all. She don't be like nothing.
I know what my
I
taste
like
buds.
that.
It's just that I got an opinion on what I like and don't.
Okay, y'all. I'll get that one an 8. So let's stick around with the candies, y'all. I'm gonna go with these. These should be good. Ooh, this strawberry flavor. Y'all not, boy. Y'all about to get to know me. I love this strawberry flavor. Ooh. I love this strawberry flavor, y'all. Oh, it smells just like them. Smell that.
You got a real smell.
Oh, God. I'm about to be, these about to be my personals right beside my bed. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me get this.
You don't get that serious.
I'm gonna give me a whole one.
You not get that
A
serious.
whole one, y'all. Strawberry flavor. It's where it be at. Y'all better get on that. Be careful with that pack. Girl. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Too much sugar.
I'm gonna get that a 10. 10 out of 10.
I'll get a 3.
You're going with me. Period. Period. Your pick.
What's this? I might like these. That was that. That was that look. When y'all go back and look at other video, that was that look that she made. But I ain't gonna catch on to it. But now, oh, it's to the other side, right?
Go watch. Go watch.
Oh, we might well break this in half.
Yeah. These definitely on me. I already know how they taste. Wait a minute. It say wheat. Oh no, y'all. That wheat stuff.
Yeah, that's what's good for you.
Baby, I ain't gonna lie. I used to hate eating wheat. Whoever went to school with me, y'all, they be probably watching whatever. I don't know if y'all watching, but I used to always complain about how at school they always give us wheat bread, wheat this, wheat that. I was like, bruh, come on, everything's out of wheat.
For you. That's good.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. You're good. I still eat it though.
You know, taste too much.
You're good. What'd you give it?
That don't taste nothing.
But it's good for you though. It's good. I give it like a 6, but it's not as good. It's not as good as the last strawberry.
Man, but you don't taste nothing.
It tastes. You taste the chocolate.
I'm gonna taste yeah. Unless it's light.
Comment down below that Mama Rita to get her taste buds checked out because somewhere I don't know what's going on. She need to get that taken care of, y'all. But let's go ahead and go with these JoJo.
JoJo beans.
Ooh, these jumbo jelly beans, y'all. And look, huss. This one, this strawberry flavor again. I don't know, it gotta be that popular flavor out there, baby. Hey, I might come out there and visit y'all one day. Hey, I'm not gonna get on no plane, y'all. Sorry. I'm scared to fly. That's how I look. Yeah, smell like strawberry to me. These the jumbo jelly beans. We down to the last two, y'all. We doing good. We moving fast. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Huh. Oh, it's too sugary. It's a lot of sugar, but it do taste like jelly bean, but it's a lot
And that's a lot
of
of
sugar. That's a lot.
Yeah, that's a lot of sugar.
I say more sugar. It's like I ate a full spoon of sugar.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm gonna trash these or give these to TJ or somebody.
Yeah, that's
These a lot. I'm not gonna give these to my son because it's a lot of sugar. And I don't know how much these was sugar. They didn't put it in. Yeah, it better not be in English, cause baby.
That's a lot of sugar.
No,
they just cold it.
Yeah, that's a lot of sugar. Too much damn sugar. Too much. Go ahead, Mama, reach up here. I was excited about those too, but that was too much sugar.
I bet these is pretzels, but
Yeah, they pretzel sticks.
In their term, how they.
It's like a nigga drinking that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Y'all be all falling out of.
Y'all think she be drooling on here? She be.
Y'all know I got them gag reflexes a lot, cause that stuff
she can't handle that.
That stuff be disgusting.
No, you can't handle no drink. Yes, it does.
Oh, we can break that. That's too big.
You must smell them.
Baby, smell.
Okay. That's why you supposed to smell for. You taste anything.
Oh, you be a little piece.
No, you gonna get a whole lot.
Yeah, please.
Oh, look at that salt on there.
That's sea salt.
Look.
That's sea salt.
Don't do the sea salt, baby.
Ooh, I'm getting burpy.
That's sea.
Okay, guys, it's currently the next day. Me and Mama Marie had tried these off camera because my camera had cut off because I was out of storage on my phone. So we both gave these a 0 out of 10. They was very disgusting. We didn't like them at all, y'all. So Mama Marie gave this the little bear cake. Mama Marie gave this a 3 out of 10, and I gave these a 4 out of 10. That was okay. So you guys, thank you guys for watching, and we will see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all subscribe, and also comment down below what else y'all want us to do and what else y'all want us to see. Thank you guys. See y'all next time. Bye.